We just got word from another satisfied customer of ours who wanted to tell the world we did a great job. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what they had to say. After reading this, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. It makes us happy when our customers are happy. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with the work we do for them, and we will work hard for you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.